Hello, my name is Alvaro Amat. The piece is called Nebula, and nebulas are astronomical objects. Basically, it's the remains of a star that exploded, and what is in space is just this dust. It's usually dark dust, and there's the remains of that star is just a little source of light in the center of that cloud of dust, which actually is projecting all those fantastic colors that we see when we see renderings of a nebula. So that's the idea: having a source of light being projected on an object that would be otherwise inert. So that light is making that object come to life, the same way as we see in an astronomical nebula. The movie projecting through it, it's a play of lights, different colors of lights that are shifting from points that are moving through the imaginary space in the middle of the room that are going to be projected through the piece and then bouncing into the wall that it's against it. So the idea is how these points of light that are very simple are going to become very complex by the shapes and the way that light is bouncing within the piece, which some of the effects are going to be reflection and reflection based on the different qualities of the materials inside the sculpture. It's a material called light tube. And basically what this material does is just plays with light, and the idea that I was trying to work with was to have a combination of object and projection, making light bend and twist through this object to make it glow, and also change and modify through the work of the animation in the projection. I'm interested in working with space and objects, and I thought of merging both by making, here the piece is made by two things. One is the object itself, the working with organic shapes and some amount of complexity, and at the same time, the idea of a narrative or a time-based piece in which space is being modified by this projection, by the work of light, how light is being bent and then projected around the room. It's not only about the outside contemplation of the object, but also about this notion of experience, something that is happening around you and you are being immersed in it. So one of the ideas that I am working right now is also in breaking the plane of the projection by making it spill around the room and making it break beyond the borders of the frame of the 3x4 typical frame that we see in movies. So that's one of the formal aspects of this piece.